Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to pay with Klarna on Aliexpress. So firstly, open up Aliexpress and add a product that you wish to buy. So just for example, here I'm on Aliexpress and I'm going to purchase this phone here. So once you add it to your cart, and when you just go to the payment section where you do the payment, so just proceed with the purchase and until you get to the payment session. So once you get to the payment session here this here you should, once you get to the payment session here, you should see the different payment options based on your region here. So mostly if your region supports Klarna, then you should see the Klarna option here. And sometimes, like mine, if it doesn't support Klarna, then what you can choose, there's another option that you could try, is by adding click on the new card option. So click on add new card, and then once you click on add new card here, and then here what you can do for the card details, you can provide your Klarna digital card. So you can provide the details of your Klarna digital card. For example, your you just a second. So for example, your Klarna here, so your Klarna digital card. So just get a digital card from Klarna, a one-time usable card. And mostly Klarna issues Visa cards. So you can pretty much like get the information from here, like copy the card details from here, and then once that's done, then you can just plug it here and then hit on pay now and pay with your Klarna card. So this is an alternate option that you can try. So that's